Wait.
Patawag ng polis.
Ano ba sa tawagan, please?
Okay, 911.
Oh, tawag
So
ka.
we're not in the middle of the street up here. Just straight to the end there.
Okay. Okay.
You sure, eh?
Tawagan ng polis. Ano sabihin ko, we got bang? Bakit nga tayo binunggo?
Ewan ko dyan. Stop eh.
Ano namin details niya?
Tumakbo na eh. Tangina mo naman, oh.
Hello, we got bumped from rear car.
Oo.
And we got hit. We got hit from the back of our car. And the one who hit us,
Said,
the one, kinuha mo yung details?
hindi.
The one who hit us escaped.